Yamabe akwaba yaba Nzema Today TV azo. Adi makaku yaba lete ngani yala. Kama yaba be awole kekere. Ene vle election en. Yaba va wona adwale ye morbobo ni awale mo ya via rebela. Yaga su anyina se north ekiye ye we kakra na yagala ya ado ye media ma mobile to mala ekuru nke azundwele woke ekiri din se be kan be kloke enne bobole ege dore mekoba engeli basa fe ene suwa yazo ya ni electoral processes ma anake electoral office ma officers ma bele be jima ne kezi osike odike be yela police officer no ko work the security officer ole ni ake bane bole mo odiko basuwa yazo la ega media se belenia nyamane molekos was Nzema Today TV as well people ke basa fe etebale na expected voters mo odike be bare ba to era na NLA 232 me alimen mo bele expect be ke enne be ba do era na ye media ma mo no kugwa so bele to in any case in the turnout in the speeder but I will be ala to ye rane basa fe ete series wa yazo ekele pelekpele nu mo anyina se no ekeye enne egadore ni ele kosora come on Nzema Today ye bol be wo keleke ba fa egadore na wadwale biala ya fi agre bela ya ga di ba hwe bichi pati eje kuma okra ne ne agbado ade ma fa me na ogbado uchi wo miti no kompala afia be fra me di makaku kala fra
from Thomas.
Eja Thomas ekele ni ka fom
Ekele pele no.
Yo ma kwa be ba Nzema Today TV azo na ele do you the lady kena
The party agent.
Okay. For Zone Party.
For NDC.
For NDC, that's very good. Adiama, kizi yama brand lisi ahoye.
Oh, ema dola no more. Ya baba ke fiti. Mulumoni moye start ke shishe ye ni nyane.
Yeah.
The day up to this time.
Yeah.
10:49.
Yeah.
Ehwe basa bia etesi keze.
Okay.
Ye medi mamo ye mu ayegu akala ye mu aye ejima azunjore no. Eti mo echi mo ma ke from morning till now ne ekemo ole azunjore.
All right, okay. You know what I say? The verify machine simo. Benya problem won.
No, so far itenya problem bia. As at now itenya problem bia.
Okay.
Before ke ever start like verify they be ali authentic.
Okay.
Itenhu from so bia won le. As at now,
yeah.
Imo only working all
working
condition.
Na awie ete bare mo ba hu info nyini anaka voters ID card ntale we issue book money rara awie ete bare had betenya challenges.
So far itenya challenge with ke ewiega idumani no anaka ewiega machine am verify.
Okay.
Machine verify e bi amayegala.
Okay.
Bi bobo mo on na voter ID la. Oklobo idumani EC officials mo be check and machine verify and be on ya do.
That's very good.
So funny the process as at now ugazo agran kezi et kokoela zani ala okoya.
Very well. Now is what we better happen be better to all the okay.
So far is have like a very peaceful community. On because since ke start like a bia take dig and never banga banglo ke beto ga wake boba ngegwi ke $1 okay.
All right. Yo, yara wase suma na Eja Thomas. Nzema Today TV as you believe here la. Come we dey ma Thomas.